Hi guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present this newly decorated and carpeted 2-bedroom flat in Norton, Fitzwarren, close to Taunton. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are guys, that was the 2-bedroom flat in Norton Fitzwarren near Taunton. If you do like the look of the property and are interested in arranging a viewing or making an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.